Asus Zenfone Max Pro M3. Asus is one of the biggest names in the computer hardware and peripherals market and is a force to be reckoned with in the smartphone segment as well. In 2018, the company released the Max Pro M1 to take on Xiaomi's budget range offerings. Thanks to the success of the device, its next iteration, the Max Pro M2, quickly made an appearance. Then the series dropped off the radar for a while, and the good news now is that the third in the series is finally here, in the form of the Asus Zenfone Max Pro M3. The phone comes with a 6.3-inch IPS LCD display offering a resolution of 1080 by 2340 pixels. The phone is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 675 chipset, and you also get 4GB of RAM and 64GB of storage space, making this a fairly standard budget phone. For photography, the Max Pro M3 is equipped with a 48MP plus 8MP plus 5MP camera configuration on the back. You can also shoot selfies with the 20MP front camera. The battery backup is impressive thanks to the 5000 mAh cell, plus you also get fast charging. Asus Zenfone Max Pro M3 price in India. The Asus Zenfone Max Pro M3 price is expected to be $179, 12,990 rupees. 12,990. The Asus Zenfone Max Pro M3 launch is scheduled to happen in April 2020. The 4GB 64GB model is expected to be priced at around Rs. 12,990 and will be available in black, green, and gold color options. Asus Zenfone Max Pro M3 details 6.3-inch IPS LCD display, water drop notch. The Asus Zenfone Max Pro M3 is equipped with a 6.3-inch LCD panel that has a water drop notch at the top for the front camera. The screen has a resolution of 1080 by 2340 pixels with a pixel density of 409 pixels per inch and an aspect ratio of 20:9. Snapdragon 675 quad rear camera. The Asus Zenfone Max Pro M3 comes with 4GB of RAM and 64GB of storage space, which is more than sufficient for a typical user. Under the hood is a Snapdragon 675 SoC from Qualcomm with an Adreno 612 GPU on board for graphics processing work. You can add up to 256GB of expandable memory. On the rear camera setup, you get a 48MP primary camera, an 8MP ultrawide sensor, and a 5MP depth sensor. The phone can shoot 1080p video with the rear camera as well as the front camera, which is a 20MP selfie shooter. 5000 mAh battery, fast charging, connectivity options. You get a 5000 mAh battery on the Zenfone Max Pro M3, which means you won't face battery problems in the middle of your day. Connectivity options include dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, Wi-Fi 802.11b per gram N, and a GPS. The phone features a Type-C port for charging and a 3.5mm headphone jack for your wired earphones. For more updates, subscribe and share this video.